Following the reopening of the multi-million-dollar Yallahs Market in St. Thomas, the facility remains unused except for the parking lot. Janella Precious has details.
The Yallahs Market reopened in March this year after a $20 million renovation project by the Ministry of Local Government. The renovation saw improvements in vending spaces, lighting, and new sanitary facilities. Fast forward to the present, and the vending space inside remains empty, while on the outside, vendors sell their goods in the parking lot.
We was on the road and was doing pretty good on the road. Yet they said that they want the market for open. We appreciate, yes, the market open, but yet at the end of the day, we come inside the market and we don't have any customers. No customers whatsoever. We are here the whole day and we're just sitting on looking at each other because people say they are not coming across the road to come inside of the market.
But it's risky doing business on the streets as the police have increased enforcement. We were told that absolutely no vending will be allowed. The vendors say not enough is being done by the municipal corporation to promote the facility. They pointed us to this fallen sign, which they argue symbolizes how the local authority has treated the matter.
We want the market with more upliftment, more people come in the market and more, sell more, we want the market more sell. Nobody does sell. There's for winter, there's more pay of the market that not started as yet. So we don't know when they're going to start the pay of the market. Fix up the market more officially, make people can start around the market, they shop and think, go the market, make people see the market and see how the market develop. Aware that people can see the market, come inside the market. So
only 2 times a week I can come in here. It's my things them there. From Christmas I have my things them here, not selling. Only 2 times I can come in here. Because the market is not fixing. Every morning I come here, I have to throw water for dust. The dust them mash up my things and things like that.
We thought that of the development in St. Thomas, because we got road and everything, we thought that we'd have a better facility here in St. Thomas where the market will be better for, people coming in to support us, but we are not getting any support. Most people go to Morant Bay because them say they have better facility in Morant Bay.
The improvements to the main structure of the Yallahs Market is the first phase of a wider plan. Phase 2 will see the building of stalls outside the main building where the parking lot will also be paved. This will be done to the tune of $12 million. TVJ News, however, understands that some vendors have not adhered to notices to remove illegal structures located on the perimeter of the market. Once the work begins, the vendors will have no choice but to relocate inside the facility.